Thank you so much.
Yes, enjoy.
Thank you.
This is how Daphnie Kelly starts her day running Modern Grind in Avondale. Pivoting from education, she opened up the drive-through coffee and healthy shop with community in mind.
I was a struggling teacher and wanted to find a way to help other teachers financially as well. And continue to help youth programs.
But starting a small business was its own unique grind.
I always knew it would be hard. It was an exciting challenge. I was excited to take on all the newness and all the things I was going to need to learn. But challenges came up that I would have never expected.
Like how to get proper permits, needed licensees, and eventually how to increase profit margins. Enter in ASU's Small and Medium Business Lab, which connects local companies like Daphne's with ASU business students and industry experts. Hitendra Chaturvedi heads the program and says it was born out of the fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Let's ask, what are their problems? What keeps them up at night? When we did that, the first call in 2022, the floodgates opened up.
Through the SMB Lab, students and experts help small businesses work through tangible problems. So far, they've helped 41 companies through 17 labs, creating a $20 million impact through outcomes like boosting revenue, lowering production cost, and fundraising.
Absolutely a win-win-win.
For Daphne at Modern Grind, the SMB Lab helped her increase profit and strategically downsize the menu, streamlining operations. The lab also helped them start an online subscription and expand to a second and incoming third location.
I think that is the biggest thing that I don't have is time. So them putting that effort in and then having their brilliant ideas, and obviously these college students are trendier than I am, so getting their ideas on what to do next has really helped us promote our items in a different way.
Giving her trusted people to ask questions to and run ideas by.
When these business owners come in and after this session, we ask them, what do you think? And one statement comes out again and again and again. I thought I was alone.
Also giving students hands-on experience solving real-world problems.
They get to implement real time in real business, and they can see their results 2 months, 3 months down the road. That is how experiential learning becomes real.
It's not just about you and your business. It's how can I support the students too? How can I help them grow?
Boosting Daphne's business, but also giving the former educator something priceless.
The former students I've worked with reach out, they ask for those letters of recommendation. They have real world experience they can put on their resumes and actually land the job. Like, it just fills my bucket.
Annalisa Pardo, Fox 10 News.